Next, we are discussing about chemical uses of isotopes in chemical reaction and structure determination. The radioactive isotopes are used in a chemical reaction to follow an radioactive element during the reaction, ultimately to determine the structure. For example, if we in the carbon 14 is used to table carbon dioxide, as carbon dioxide is used by the plant's photosynthesis to form glucose. Actually, in structure determination, we label the one reactant. For example, we know that in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water will react in the presence of sunlight to form glucose. To check the procedure and how they will combine with each other, and to check the procedure and structure of the glucose, we can label simple carbon of the carbon dioxide which used in process of photosynthesis with change with the carbon 14 isotopes. And carbon 14 isotopes, we know that emit radiation. That's why when the reaction will proceed, they continuously emit radiation, and that from this by tracing these radiations, we can find out the structure of the glucose which is formed during this reaction, and the path of the reaction in which it complete. So isotopes are also used for the structure determination of chemical reactions. And similarly, the next use is power generation. In power generation, we use radioactive isotopes, and we bombarded in nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactors are specified for the nuclear reactions, and when uranium bombarded with neutrons, it will break into barium and krypton, and from the breakage of the nuclei of uranium will release lot of energy, and this energy will use to convert water into steam form in the boilers, and this steam will run the turbine which produce the electricity. That's why isotopes are also used for power generation, which is very useful for the nation, and it is very this is the peaceful use of atomic energy for development of a nation. So our syllabus of midterm is completed. Now we will move towards test yourself 2.4. It is a test yourself 2.3, and now test yourself 2.4. Why do the isotopes of element have different atomic masses? Because of the number of neutrons, they have different atomic masses.